What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Zermatt. Festival going on today called Zermatt Unplugged. Oh, gotta watch out for those things. But yeah, it's a festival. They're expecting a bit of rain. I guess the last 2 years this was canceled, so it didn't go on. Here you have some Clydesdales with the carriage. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk right through here up the central part of Zermatt. We're up above 5,500 feet elevation. Doesn't seem that low. I had to look and see if that was meters, because it feels like we're a lot higher up than that. But as you know, the Matterhorn mountain, one of the most famous here in all of Switzerland. And wow, look at that. We'll have to go all around here. There's lots of exploring for us to do. But it's not the tallest. I believe it's Jungshorjoch, if I said that correctly. And that would be in Grindelwald, over by Lauterbrunnen. Well, we have a Mickey D's. Now you know. Those of you who need a McDonald's when you come up here, you're covered. You're covered, absolutely. There's a population up here of about 5,000 people that live here. But as you can imagine, with all the tourists, at any given time, like right now, probably over 20,000 people are here, at least. Me personally, my hotel is down in Thun, so it took about an hour and 50 minutes to get here. Oh. Watch out for those things. Taxi 24s. We had one changeover in a town called Visp. Cost me $90 to go here. I will be trying some of the restaurants out, getting you some of the pricing. Look at that. The train ride up here was absolutely wild. You go through this like canyon ravine. That's why I thought we were so much higher than we really are. Yeah, and this is a look at that train ride coming up from Visp to Zermatt. There's a train ride in the United States that kind of reminds me of that, going through the Rockies on an Amtrak in Montana through Glacier, and a little bit in Colorado. But to be honest, the Swiss just know how to engineer things a little bit more, I don't know. Engineering is just a little bit more, I'm going to say it, precise. Nothing against my American brothers and sisters, but Swiss engineering, very clean. I'm just glad we're getting some sunshine today, because we needed that after yesterday's Lauterbrunnen video in the rain. What the heck? I'll just step on that. Unique hotel post. I was looking at hotels here. They seem to start at around 300 and go up to 700. Now they'll take your luggage like that from the train station. Oh, more horses. Back out onto the main drag here. Hey, there's the Matterhorn Museum. This big bugle. Such unique architecture and design. Wood and stone. Here's some flowing water. Let's see what we got. Okay. We got fondue. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as we continue to show you around Zermatt. Just gonna go through here a little bit, show you what some of these cottages are looking like and how they're built, because that is cool. All right, let's go on the other side of the river here, because it seems interesting. Like I said, they don't have any cars here. They have these golf cart, go-kart, buggy things, like a tuk-tuk. Do you have? Swiss Alpine Hotel. Here we have Harry's Bar. It's not open, unfortunately. Okay. Alright, what do we got over here? Oh, helicopters. Chalet Maria. Where everyone's going to ski.
Chesa Valasi.
Hotel Astoria. Okay, we're going to the Matterhorn. We have a few stations, about 5. Bought this ticket, it was 66 francs. Yeah, so we're going to the top of the Matterhorn. Okay. Well, we made it, but unfortunately we're not going to be able to see the Matterhorn because it is snowing. So my apologies for that, but you can see the pictures on the internet all about the Matterhorn. Somewhere over there. Ooh. Oh, we made it.
If you want.
Okay. Well, we made it. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Zermatt and the Matterhorn. We'll see you on the next one.